Content creation used to take days of staring at a blank page, but now, with the right AI workflow, you can go from zero to finished content in minutes. Welcome to the Prompt Lab. I'm Kai, and today I'm giving you the 2-minute masterclass on building a high-speed AI content system. Let's dive in. Step 1. Smart ideation. Use AI like ChatGPT or Claude as your strategist. Don't just ask for ideas. Ask for high-performing topics based on current niche trends. Drill down into what's working now. Specificity is everything. Tell the AI your audience and your goal to get results that actually resonate. Step 2. Scripting. Use AI to build your roadmap. A strong hook, clear content beats, and a punchy call to action are essential for retention. Draft your full script in seconds, but remember the golden rule. Edit for personality. AI builds the structure. You add the human point of view. Step 3. Professional voiceover. Tools like HeyGen give you indistinguishable AI voices that sound natural and expressive. It's a total game changer for B-roll. Choose a voice that matches your brand energy and fine-tune the delivery for maximum impact. No professional mic required. Step 4. Visuals. AI is your entire art department. Generate custom B-roll, cinematic images, and motion graphics that perfectly match your script's keywords. Mix these custom assets with dynamic text overlays to keep the energy high and your audience's eyes moving. Consistency is your best friend here. Step 5. Editing. AI has flipped the script. Auto-transcribe your footage, remove silences instantly, and generate stylized captions with one click. Focus on the storytelling while the AI handles the technical heavy lifting. This cuts your editing time by up to 80%. Step 6. Thumbnails. AI is a thumbnail powerhouse. Generate high-contrast subjects and backgrounds that pop in the feed and stop the scroll. Follow the rule of 3. Clear subject, high-contrast background, and bold, readable text. AI makes this formula easy to execute every time. Finally, Step 7. SEO and reach. Use AI to optimize your titles and keyword-rich descriptions so the algorithm knows exactly who to show your video to. Repurpose your script for social media and newsletters to maximize your reach. Work smarter, not harder, to build your audience. This workflow is designed to empower you. Stop waiting, start experimenting, and create something today. I'm Kai, and this is the Prompt Lab. If you're ready to master AI creation, hit that subscribe button. Join us in the lab, and let's build the future together. I'll see you in the next one.